Right, simple cooking. Lamb chops on a stick, bread dough on a stick, mushrooms, and of course pine needle tea using my shovel as a griddle. As you can see, that's working quite well, and that's about 6 inches off the fire. And look at them lamb chops. Isn't life sweet? And there's my lovely woman getting covered in dough.
Pine needle.
It's all roughage there.
Yeah, honest.
Just good at this. God, that looks good, doesn't it? Look at that. We're running out of room.
Start off there.
Wow, these chops are going to take quite some time to cook. Got them quite a bit off the fire. I'm going to cook them nice and slow. The bread looks good. We've had a little bit earlier before we showed you guys, but it came out really well. Just a bit of patience when you're cooking it. But I think the shovel idea is rather cool. So things have got to have more than one use. Well, the shovel has got quite a lot of uses. Obviously, on the shovel, you can use it for chopping if you sharpen one edge, which I have done. And the first time I just thought of it today, using it as a grill over the fire. It does get hot. It's right hot right down to the spade end, the shovel end. So if you do it, be careful. Don't just grab hold of it. Let it cool down. Otherwise you will burn your hands. But we've got some pine needle tea going on there. When the needles go grey and sink, that usually means it's ready to drink. That almost rhymed. Oh dear. I'm a poet and I don't know it. So we have come out with a few luxuries today. The odd beverage. There's my can of beer, which has a second use as a tea light, and also a little can of wine there for the good lady, which will no doubt turn into a little tea light later.
It's our Saturday night out.
It's our Saturday night out, yeah.
This is the local pub.
Yeah, the local pub, yeah. And as you can see, we're the only people here. Quick spin around. It's all about having fun. We come out with a few luxuries. That's going to be our bed for the night in there. We've got nice waterproof sleeping bags. That's where we're going to stay. We don't normally have the tarp set up, but we had sleet the size of sweet corn coming down and loads of rain, and that was just coming inside, so we quickly put those up basically to keep the inside of the shelter dry. And so we've still got our wood pile there, which is burning nice and slowly, and you can hear the mushrooms sizzling. And of course, with every lamb chop you've got to have mint sauce, and we've brought a jar of that as well. And hopefully if we could have found some wild mint, we would have made it ourselves, but it's cheaper to buy it. Anyway, we'll get back to you when we're eating.